Alright guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to install games on Steam and also how to install the workshop content for some of these games. So one of the most commonly played games that has a load of workshop content is Garry's Mod. And in order to install the workshop content, you're going to want to go to Browse the Workshop, and there's tons of stuff on here. And you can just scroll through and look at all this. This is just like the most downloaded stuff, the most popular, and you can go to browse and you can go to add-ons, and this will show you every single thing on here. You can probably take days just to scroll through this. I'm not going to install any of this because then I'd actually have to download it, and I'd have to open the game to do so. So then you're going to want to go back to your library, and just a small game that I can download to show you, 911 operator. You hit install and it'll bring up a pop-up screen. What you're going to want to do here is select where you want it to install, which is going to be your Program86 files. And then it's going to show you the time it's going to take to download, the size, your disk space available, and if you want to create a start menu, and you're not going to want to do that. You're going to hit next, and it's going to bring up another pop-up, and then it's going to ask you to finish. And then what this is going to do is it's going to take it to your download screen, and you can see the time again, your current download speed, and how long that's going to take, and then the size of the download as well. You can go back here and you can see now there's actually workshop for this game. You can hit browse the workshop. I haven't downloaded any workshop content for this game, so I'm not sure how it works. But some games, the workshop is automatically in your game. Sometimes you have to actually go through access files and change the names and stuff like that. So you can go ahead and go here and hit subscribe, and this will automatically add that to your downloads, and it should open once this is done. If not, you'll actually have to open that game and then it will start downloading the content. Yeah, download the content right after. Some games like Mount & Blade Warband download content a completely different way. So as you can see, like right here, I'll hit play and I have probably 14 or 15 different workshop mods installed. And when this menu comes up, like this is a mod right here, and you can see all these are different mods and they're automatically installed except for the Star Wars one, in which case you actually had to go in and change path files and stuff like that. Sometimes a mod can take up to 2 hours to install depending on your speed, depending on the size of the mod. Most mods on the workshop are only about a gigabyte or less, but full conversion mods for games such as Mount & Blade can be up to 10 gigabytes. You don't want to have like too many mods or anything, especially when you're playing games such as Fallout, because it will mess up your game and it'll often crash. And you don't want to have any mods that are conflicting or try to edit the same thing, because that will also crash your game or you won't be able to run it at all.